Hello guys, welcome to my another vlog, and today I am in front of the newly launched Taigun. Well, my voice is not proper because I am feeling cold today. Well, it gets this projector headlamps with LED DRLs and LED fog lamps and honeycomb style of bumpers with the scale plate and chrome garnish, 18-inch diamond cut alloy wheels, request sensor on the driver side. These are the electrically adjustable ORVMs. And this boxy LED tail lamps gives it a impressive look. Reverse camera, Taigun badging, TSI engine option. Well, it comes only in petrol, automatic as well as a manual version, not in diesel. Boot space is also good. These are the lights. Let us check out the rear seats. Quite good leg space as well as under thigh support, and it gets this rear AC vents with the two USB ports, which are actually essential feature in the new cars. And it comes with this armrest between cup holders. The seats are split seats, which is actually a 60-40 split seats. And the reading lamps. While talking about the headroom is also good. My height is 5'7", I can easily sit here. Similarly, if your height is more, you can also sit here. If you are taller and healthy, it might not be a problem for you on the rear seats. Now let us check out the front seat. It even gets this request sensors on the co-driver side also. Let us get in that. This is the digital instrument cluster, Volkswagen badging. Door lock unlock buttons, electrically adjustable ORVMs as I mentioned earlier. Smooth steering wheel, I can say. The touch and the feel is also good. These are the steering mounted controls, which are usually given on this side, and here are the cruise controls, which are usually given on this side. So they have basically swapped. And this is the digital instrument cluster as I mentioned earlier, but it gives more of a feeling of a virtual cockpit. And the light controls, auto climate control AC with two USB ports, and the start stop engine button. This is the automatic version, and this is the 10.25-inch touchscreen display, which comes with all the features, that is Apple CarPlay, Android support and everything. It even comes with this Volkswagen Play apps, which is something different. And glove box, yeah, it is a cool glove box. Carbon finish, even gets a sunroof. The only con that I found out over here is this covering. It should have been automatic, but we have to push this and push this. The twin cup holder and a small space as found in the Polo. Well, this SUV from the Volkswagen Tiguan is good because it comes with a lot of good space as well as a high headroom. Even a taller and a healthy person can sit in front of seats as well as the rear seats. There would be no problem for the children as well over the long distances. Also, if you love this video, give it a like, share, and comment which feature of this car you love. Also, subscribe to our channel for the exclusive scoops, news, and latest car reviews. Till then, see you in next video. Bye bye.